Major winter storm spawning tornadoes that tore through the South. 15 states on alert this morning from North Carolina all the way up to Maine. And that storm also dropping a dangerous mix of snow, ice and rain across 1,200 miles. It's blamed now for thousands of accidents. And ABC's Mary Bruce has the very latest.
Overnight, slick, sleety roads leading to wreck after wreck.
There's a lot of icy spots.
Early this morning, this massive pileup in Pennsylvania, just north of Scranton on I-81. Semi-trucks plowing into each other after hitting black ice, crushing several cars in their path. Rescue crews are on the scene. There are reports of multiple injuries. The ice-covered interstate remains closed. Many cars unable to get traction. Over 2,000 wrecks in 24 hours across 17 states. Virginia alone seeing more than 500 accidents. And it wasn't just miserable road conditions. Tornadoes touching down in the south. On the Florida-Alabama border, a tornado damaging homes and dropping trees on cars. In Louisiana, a reported tornado ripping the roof off this car wash and tossing it into this Pizza Hut. Cell phone video capturing the panicked patrons moments after.
You all right, Mom? You all right?
Miraculously, there were only minor injuries. And this morning in Mississippi, they're cleaning up after a tornado may have touched down there. 3 homes flattened and completely destroyed. Here at the Charlotte airport, it is a wet, slick mess. Already 20 flights canceled, nearly 400 across the country and growing. Amy?
All right, Mary, thanks for the very latest on that. And that snow and ice, though, is not sticking around for long. Rob, the temperatures have been jumping up and down the past 2 days, a 50-degree swing for millions.
Yeah, I mean, in some cases, a 60-degree swing. We're in the upper 40s here in Manhattan, where just a few days ago, record temperatures well below zero. Look at this swing. When you talk about Sunday morning, -9 in Boston, -1 in New York, and then you flip it to what we expect today, well into the 50s. But before that happens, it's going to be windy, too, by the way. Before that happens, we still have pockets of really cold air. And so it's a slick commute just outside of D.C. They just bumped up. And then we're going to see some heavier rain. So Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and back through West Virginia, flood watches are posted for all this rain that's marching up the eastern seaboard. All snow, by the way, from Buffalo back through western Pennsylvania, and some severe weather across parts of South Florida. So this is a massive, massive storm, George and Amy. And as you mentioned, all sorts of wild swings and a difficult commute this morning and this afternoon. Back to you.
Yeah, you could really feel the difference when you came to work this morning.
Big difference.